As a group, we're responsible for a little under 20,000 tonnes of carbon emissions every year. This includes our manufacturing, our facilities, business travel, waste from our operations, water use and refrigerants, our fleet vehicles, and the impact of our packaging. In 2019, we took the first steps to reduce this by transitioning away from gas as our primary energy source to use more green power through our retail electricity contracts. It was an important first step, but it's not enough. Last year, we committed to net zero carbon emissions by 2030, and the pathway will require us to invest in more efficient infrastructure, to transition to 100% renewable energy, and to change the way we work and the way we travel. The first step is to invest in energy efficiency initiatives, ensuring our machinery and infrastructure uses energy as optimally as possible. Installation of high efficiency, low emission LED lighting at Warriewood and replacing some equipment at Braeside are all underway. Over time, this will save us money and improve our productivity. We're exploring options to reduce our waste to landfill and to use water more efficiently at our major sites. We've already started transitioning our fleet to hybrid vehicles. We will move to electric cars in the coming years. We'll travel smarter and more efficiently too. The biggest challenge will be to address the impact of our packaging emissions while we continue to optimise its recyclability. But this is 15% of our group footprint, so it's important for us to take responsibility for the materials we put into the market. We'll continue this program of emissions avoidance and reduction, which over the coming years will account for nearly 3/4 of our total carbon emissions. Securing the right power purchase agreements, or PPAs, for our major sites will be an important milestone, since electricity is responsible for more than half of our group emissions. For the remaining emissions, we'll look at certified offsets. And there are many sequestration initiatives that are clearly and strategically aligned to our supply chain, which has a strong reliance on the health of the natural environment, not only to address carbon capture, but also to maintain biodiversity. Our journey to net zero will require us to make the right investments, to keep a close eye on changing markets, and to continue to improve the way we work over the next 8 years. Every initiative on the pathway to net zero will reduce our carbon emissions, and many will also deliver cost savings and an uplift in productivity. It's an ambitious program of work, but one we're passionate about progressing to ensure we are building a resilient business that meets the expectations of the community and to deliver on our vision for a world where people and nature thrive together.